love. It was just one text, but I felt something.
We felt everything. Increase oxytocin. Cue imaginary wedding slideshow. All right, team, we've got a hey and a lingering eye contact. Build an entire future. Career merge, dog adoption, passive-aggressive couples therapy in 3 years.
But we don't even know their last name.
Silence. I said spark equals soulmate. They gave you attention. I released love potion number 3.5.
But we've only talked twice.
Exactly. They're mysterious, inconsistent, and emotionally unpredictable, which means I'm now chemically obsessed. Your brain bonds faster under uncertainty. It's called intermittent reinforcement. The same mechanism that makes slot machines addictive. They reminded me of someone, but safer. Or maybe worse. Either way, we're attached now.
I think I'm projecting.
You are, but shh. It feels like love, and I'm high on imaginary intimacy. Your brain fills in emotional blanks with fantasy, especially if you have a history of attachment anxiety.
They liked my story.
Oh my God. They see us.
It's just fire emoji.
No, it's the language of destiny.
They stopped replying.
This is betrayal, grief, we need closure, or maybe one more stalk. Obsession often spikes after disconnection because the reward system feels cut off, causing withdrawal-like symptoms. Okay, I got carried away. Let's try this instead.
When I feel a spark, I'll take it as a curiosity, not a commitment.
If I don't know them, I won't write a sequel to a story that hasn't started.
We want reciprocity, not breadcrumbs.
We date data, not just vibes.
Wow, you're evolving.
I'm still dramatic, but now I have boundaries. If you've ever built a whole relationship off a 3-message convo, drop a friend. Hit like if you've imagined someone's last name with yours. Subscribe. We're unpacking all your attachment chaos. Lovingly.